In this video, we will learn 10 Excel shortcut key. So let's start. So my first shortcut key is a Control plus space. These shortcuts select the entire column of the currently selected cell. It's a great way to quickly highlight it entire column for formatting or data entry. So I select the cell and press the Control plus space to select the entire column, to highlight the entire column. Okay, now you can use the formatting on that column. So I select any format, I just use the color on that column, and you can change the style also. You can set the bold letter also, so you can use the formatting to entire column. That's it. Second shortcut key, Control plus minus. This shortcut is used to delete the selected row or column. If you have a row or column selected, pressing the Control plus minus will remove it from your worksheet. So let's see. So here I want to remove this category column. So first I select the column, Control plus space. I press the Control plus space. Then I use the Control plus minus to remove this column, to delete this column. Okay, that's it. Next shortcut key, Shift plus Control plus plus, is used to insert a new row or column. If you have a selected cell, pressing the Shift plus Control plus plus, add a new row above or a column to the left. So I here select the one cell, and I first select the full row to press the Shift plus space. Then I want to insert one row. So I here press Shift Control plus. Shift Control plus again if you want to insert one more. So that's it. Next shortcut key, Control plus Shift plus N. Using the Control plus Shift plus End, will select all cells from the current cell to the last used cell in the worksheet, making it easy to highlight large area of data. So let's see. So I press here the Control plus Shift plus End button of keyboard. Now here see, full data is selected. Last row is 9995 in this data. Also extra column also selected. So if you don't want this extra column selected, again press the Shift Control and left arrow to select those you want. Okay, that's it. Next shortcut key, Shift plus F11. To insert new worksheet into the current workbook, this shortcut is a quick way to add a new sheet without having to navigate through the menu option. Normally, if you want to add a sheet, you right click on the mouse. Here the first option you see to insert. Just click on the insert, and the first is selected worksheet and click on OK. Here sheet added, and second way you just click on the plus sign to add the new sheet. Now I just delete this both sheet. Now I'm using the shortcut key Shift plus F11 to insert the sheet. That's it. Again I press Shift plus F11. So you can use this shortcut key to insert the new sheet. That's it. Next shortcut key, Control plus Shift plus arrow keys. It can combine with the arrow keys to select the large ranges of cell. For example, press the Control Shift then the right arrow will select all cell to the right in the current row from the selected cell. Okay, and Control Shift down arrow will select all cell downward in the current column. So this is a way you can use to selection the data, select the range of data, press the Control Shift right arrow down arrow to select the data. That's it. Third shortcut key, shift plus space. So this shortcut select the entire row of the currently selected cell. It's used for the quickly highlighted the entire row. So I just press here the shift plus space to select the entire row, to highlight the entire row. That's it. Next shortcut key, Control A, to select all the cell in the current worksheet. It's a quick way to highlight everything if you need to apply formatting or make changes to the entire sheet. So here I select the one cell and press the Control A to select the full data. Now I am using the formatting on this data. So I first change here color. I select here the color option and fill color for entire data. Now you can use the different formatting. I use here the borders, and you can use the different formatting also. So this shortcut is very useful when you use the formatting for entire data. That's it. Next shortcut key, Control plus Home. Pressing the Control plus Home takes you to the first cell of the worksheet, which is a cell A1. This shortcut useful for quickly navigating back to the start of your data or sheet. So here suppose you scroll down below, and if you want to go back again first cell, so you can simply press the Control plus Home button of keyboard. You come back in A1. So you this shortcut key is very useful when you're working on your large data. That's it. Next shortcut key, Control plus Tab. Pressing the Control plus Tab switch between the open workbooks windows. If you have a multiple workbooks open, this shortcut lets you cycle through them. So let's see. So here I have a two Excel open. One in one Excel file have some data, and second Excel file is a blank. So I want to switch this that Excel file, then I use the Control plus Tab. See, Control plus Tab to switch the second Excel file. So this is a way you can use this shortcut key. That's it.